Isang makabagong AI-powered risk management system ang inilunsad ng isang Japanese tech corporation, katuwang ang Department of Information and Communications Technology or DICT. Alamin kung paano ito makatutulong para sa mas mabilis at epektibong disaster response. Panoorin natin ito.
Sa paglipas ng araw, hindi maikakaila ang pag-unlad sa mga teknolohiya na nagbibigay solusyon sa bawat suliranin. At isa na nga riyan ang solusyon tungkol sa risk management at disaster prevention. Kaya naman isang advanced cloud-based AI solution ang inilunsad sa bansa sa pangunguna ng Japan International Cooperation at SPECTI, katuwang ang Department of Information and Communications Technology.
Today's grand launching of SPECTI AI Pro marks an important step in utilizing the power of technology, social media, and disaster response for the benefit of our people. At DICT, we firmly believe that technology, and of course, most especially AI, must serve people first.
SPECTI helps collect information faster, make decisions quicker, and keep everyone safer.
So this is a very good condition for us. We are the private company. So it's very difficult to contact the senior people of the Philippine government. But through with the support with JICA, we can contact the senior person, and we had good meetings.
Ang software ay nagko-collect ng data mula sa ilang social media sites at nagfa-factual check para makapagbigay ng kamalayan sa publiko at ma-analyze ang posibleng panganib at makagawa ng agarang solusyon.
Here in the Philippines, initial rollout provided 120 government agencies such as DPWH, Philbox, and Pagasa, also LGU's DRL offices with a maintenance-free service. As SPECTI looks toward global business expansion, they selected the Philippines as its first target country through JICA's private sector partnership program.
Japan and the Philippines, as natural partners, have many things in common. And one of them is having to face the challenge of disaster management. That is why at the Japan-Philippines Summit in April of this year, Prime Minister Shiba stated that Japan would support the development of flood control and early warning systems in the Philippines by drawing on first-hand experience and knowledge.
Ang nasabing software ay unang nailunsad sa Japan taong 2011 matapos ang matinding lindol na tumama sa Japan. Kaya naman taong 2023 ay isinagawa ang feasibility study nito sa Pilipinas na masasabing naging malaking tulong sa ilang local government units.